Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial video. In the previous episode we talked about the filter function, so today we will dedicate our attention to a cousin of this function called reduce. As usual, we can start from the example you see here. By running the code, we get a result of 22. Now why is that? As usual, here is your chance to pause the video and write your guess in the comments below. Please don't be shy to make a guess and make sure to also hit the subscribe button while you're there. Have any ideas? This one is slightly harder to guess than the filter function, but I'm sure many of you noticed that our result of 22 is none other than the sum of the numbers in the list. So how does the reduce function work then? It takes two arguments, as you can see. One is a function and the other is a list of values. The function must also be able to handle two arguments and return only a single value, as in this case. The reduce function will then take the first two values from our list and process them through the function. It then takes the output of the function and uses it along with the third value from the list as the inputs for another iteration of the function. This loop then continues until all the values in the list have been exhausted and only one value is left, which is the final result of the reduce function. This is where the reduce function gets its name from. Basically, it takes a list of values and reduces them down to a single value using the main function, which in this case is called add. So in this example we see here, we can also modify the add function to, for example, say a times b instead of a plus b. In this case, the final answer will be 1008, which is none other than the multiplication of all our numbers together. Now with that, we have come to the end of today's video. As always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as well as check out my other tutorial videos and coding challenges. See you all again next week, and until then, happy coding!